Hello again, the followers of YouTube channel Kwiga Indimi. Muraho nanone mwe mukurikira YouTube channel Kwiga Indimi. Today we are going to see English lesson 7.2. Uyu munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe isomo ry'Icyongereza karindwi igice cya kabiri. English lesson 7.2. Isomo ry'Icyongereza karindwi igice cya kabiri. Tuzagira ibice byinshi cyane kuri iyi karindwi. Still, it is the most used verbs in English. Tugiye kureba za nshinga verbs zikoreshwa cyane cyangwa se kenshi mu Cyongereza. Nizo dukomeje turebera hamwe n'ingero zazo mu nteruro. Dutangire. Let's start with verb to speak. To speak. Kuvuga. To speak. Here we have an example. She speaks English well. She speaks English well. Avuga Icyongereza neza. She speaks English well. Avuga Icyongereza neza. Here we have to show. To show. Kwereka. To show. An example. Show me your husband. Show me your husband. Nyereka umugabo wawe. Show me your husband. Nyereka umugabo wawe. Here we have to continue. To continue. Gukomeza. To continue. Example. I will continue to love you. I will continue to love you. Nzakomeza mukunde. I will continue to love you. Dukomeze. Here we have to think. To think. Gutekereza. Do you think I am a thief? Utekereza ko ndi umujura? Do you think I am a thief? Here we have to follow. To follow. Gukurikira cyangwa se gukurikiza. To follow. Example. I will follow your advice. I will follow your advice. Nzakurikiza inama zawe. I will follow your advice. Here we have to know. To know. Kumenya. To know. Example. He knows me well. He knows me well. Aranzi neza. He knows me well. Continue. Here we have to believe. To believe. Kwizera. Kwizera umuntu. To believe. Cyangwa se kwizera ikintu. I cannot believe you. I cannot believe you. Sinshobora. I cannot bivuga sinshobora. I cannot believe you. Kukwizera. Kwizera nizera nde wowe. Sinshobora kukwizera. I cannot believe you. Here we have to start. To start. Gutangira. To start. Example. When does the first lesson start? When does the first lesson start? Isomo rya mbere ritangira ryari? When does the first lesson start? Here we have to count. To count. Kubara. To count. Example. My sister teaches me to count. My sister teaches me to count. Mushiki wanjye anyigisha kubara. My sister teaches me to count. Continue. Here we have to hear. To hear. Kumva, kumvisha amatwi. To hear. Example, I am hearing many voices. I am hearing many voices. Ndi kumva amajwi menshi. Here we have to wait. To wait. Gutegereza. Example, I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Ntegereje igisubizo cyawe. Here we have to replace. To replace. Gusimbura cyangwa se gusimbuza. To replace. Example, they replaced me with their daughter. They replaced me with their daughter. Bansimbuje umukobwa wabo. They replaced me with their daughter. Continue. Here we have to call. To call. Guhamagara. To call. Example, I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. Nzaguhamagara ejo. Here we have to allow. To allow. Kwemerera cyangwa se gukundira. Example, she did not allow her son to play with others. She did not allow her son to play with others. Ntiyemerera. She did not allow umuhungu we, her son, to play, gukina n'abandi, with others. She did not allow her son to play with others. Here we have to occupy. To occupy. Gukoresha ikintu cyangwa se umuntu umurinda gushoma. Umurinda kuba yakwicara nta kintu ari gukora. It is to occupy. Example here, I am going to occupy your students. I am going to occupy your students. Ngiye kuba nkoresha abanyeshuri bawe. Continue. Here we have to become. To become. Guhinduka. To become. Example, after stealing money, he became mad. After stealing money, he became mad. Nyuma yo kwiba amafaranga, yahindutse umusazi. After stealing money, he became mad. Here we have to leave. To leave. Kugenda cyangwa se kureka cyangwa se gusiga. Example here, do you want to leave me alone? Do you want to leave me alone? Ushaka kunsiga njyenyine? Here we have to decide. To decide. Gufata icyemezo. To decide. Gufata icyemezo. Example, have you decided yet? Have you decided yet? Wamaze gufata icyemezo? Have you decided yet? Thank you, my dear followers. Let's stop from here today and stay in touch. Please, kwiga indimi ni channel yaje ikuziye, yaje iziye abanyarwanda bose. Niba udukurikiye ukaba utarakanda subscribe ubikore nonaha, niba udasharinga ku nshuti n'abavandimwe nabyo ubikore, biyigire Icyongereza bitabagoye. Thank you.